Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update your Ps5 and install the YouTube app so the menus match the latest flow. Sign into PlayStation Network on the console. Your PSN account is needed for permissions and sharing. Once signed in, open the YouTube app and choose the sign-in option. Make sure you have your Google account available on your phone or PC because you'll confirm the link there. This avoids switching accounts and prevents accidental pairing with the wrong YouTube profile. Once done with the app, select Sign and then Link Device to get an activation code displayed on your TV. You'll use that temporary code to securely associate accounts without typing your password on the console. On your phone or PC, go to YouTube. com/activate and enter the code, then choose the Google account you want to connect. Make sure to review requested permissions. This step grants the Ps5 rights to upload, stream, and manage live settings so you understand what you're authorizing before confirming. After entering the code, approve the link on your device. The YouTube app on Ps5 will automatically detect confirmation and sign in. Once linked, test by uploading a short clip or starting a private live stream to confirm video and chat access. If something goes wrong, first restart the YouTube app and your Ps5, then confirm you use the same Google account. Mismatched accounts are the most common problem. If the activation code fails, update the app. Generate a new code and try again. This typically resolves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.